you truly get a glimpse of how remarkable the suspect's catatonic performance was.
Wait, what? What reality you live in? No. Hiya.
Merging.
Hi. Hiya.
Apparently there are people out there who are so stupid, they are like literally beyond comprehension. It is impossible to understand how stupid they are.
You talking to me?
Been a close call there. Very close call there. Very close.
Sur la collection famille. Alors, on se réveille et on file dans un magasin poltron et sofa. Poltron et sofa.
Oh, there's no traffic. The light's green. But hold on.
My subject is flatulence. I'm talking about a kind of flatulence that is sort of extreme.
Very erratic driving. Erratic driving continuing here. Certainly very erratic.
Yeah!
The Chevy Silverado.
It's false.
Go away. Go away!
Thank you!
There's regular stupid, and then there's advanced stupid. Today's video is one of the dumber instances.
No.
This guy with his HID kit. So fucking blinding. Jesus, I can't see anything now.
There you go. Beautiful.
Your only joke.
I'm gonna do what's called a pro gamer move.
Okay, good. That's it. Beautiful. Nice. Beautiful.
That's not how it works.
Good job.
Really good job.
Oh, that was so cool.
Good. Beautiful.
Stop it!
How much have you had to drink?
Alle.
Also auch wenn es ein Neuwagen wäre, würde man schon sagen, das ist ein Totalschaden.
Fais quoi toi là?
Why are you doing this?
Putain mais c'est dingue, les mecs ils bougent même pas quoi.
Mi scusi.
Volkswagen, das Auto.
Very close call there. Very close.
That's unbelievable. This is just getting ridiculous now. That is insane. Look at the angle of the front tyre.
시그널은転倒さあ今度は何もなければいいのだが1コモナへの飛び込みは注目だ今現在スタートさあ
This car literally has no lights on, and they don't even know. Dazed and confused!